Hey everyone, what if you could create studio quality beats in just a few clicks? No instruments, no mixing skills, and absolutely free. Today we are diving into Soundra AI, a powerful music generator that turns your ideas into ready to use tracks in seconds. Whether you are a YouTuber, a filmmaker, or a music lover, this tool is about to change how you make sound. So let's get into it. So this is the website soundra.io. You can search this URL in your browser and you will reach to this website. This is the overall layout of this website. The layout is very simple and easy to use. Even a beginner can handle to use it. Okay, so first of all, we will sign up our account for free, and then I will show you how you can create some beats of your own choice. Okay, and then you can use it in your videos as well. So first of all, let's sign up by clicking the sign up button, and here you can sign up with your Google. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Okay, so I've selected my Google account here, and I will click continue. So that's how my account will be signed up. They have paid plans. You can see they have creator plan, artistic starter, artist pro, artist unlimited, and enterprise plan. These are the plans. You can check out all of them. But we are going to proceed without any subscription. Okay, so I can show you how Soundra AI website works. Okay, so let's suppose we need a beat of like 10 seconds and we want a high speed. Okay, so we have chose 10-second length and the speed of the track will be fast. Okay, so and we want music like trap music. There are multiple categories. You can select the genre of your choice. So we want this trap one. Okay, so let's click on this trap. After that, it will start finding out the best beats for your niche or your category, and then you can also customize it by adding your any instrumental sound, etc. Okay, so there are, you can see there are lots of. Let's try this first one. So as you can see, that was the beat I have just showed it to you. You can add melody, you can add bass, you can increase the drum intensity, you can also manage the outro. Okay, so and you can also add any kind of instruments here, like you can add there are lots of things, like you can add melody from the synth plug 3, 2, or 1, and you can also add backing like piano, synth plug 1, synth lead 1, etc. There are a lot of options here. Okay, after selecting any of these, you have to just select the apply button. Okay, now I will show you how this feature works. Let's play the sound again, and I will do some changing to these options. Okay, so as you can see that I have just added some melody. I have increased the intensity. Okay, so it has made some changes to this. So that's how you can create your own custom beats with the help of Soundraw AI, and then you can use it in your own content. Okay, so that was all about Soundraw AI and how you can use it to create your custom beats for free. So I will catch you in the next video. In the next video, for the next video, you can give us any topic about which you want a video in the comment section, and I will make next video on that topic. Bye bye.